Today we are going to play Make Your Slime app. So today I'm going to make my slime since I play very long time. And comment down if you want to make one for you. So let's get started. And comment what color and what type you want. And the accessory. You put pastel tail. Let's make it. Ooh, so nice. How about let's put glitter? How about blue? So I done making the slime and this is how it looks. I put glitter and the foam beans. And always if you go home, they will have like special offer. And up there they will have like good stuff for you. So you can open it. Or there's a mirror and there, so you press the open, then you got like that. And they also have the Lulu squares like that. You also can get free slime if you go to gallery and play with them. And if you want to make your slime, you can go to My Slimes and make slime or press this down plus button.
Are you new to
Sorry for that. So this is what I make. My first time play is my sis favorite color slime, and the second is this slime, snow slime, fruity honey slime, and this is what my sister made. It's called Stupid Poo. And this my grandma slime, and I call her Mama. This the night slime. That's what I think. And I think I'm gonna to make one more. I later will tell you what color I use. So I'm done making the slime, and this is the slime I made. I use foam beans and the moon and the navy blue color I just get. And I don't know what to call, so I call this the IDK slime. And so I think I'm gonna to show you my next slime again. Bye. So I'm done making this slime again, and this type is battery. I use the cotton yellow, kawaii dog, and the cute rats. And this is called the Yu slime. I don't know how to pronounce. Hi guys, so this one is my another type of slime. It's called the berry slime. And sorry about the salmon shark. It's just nothing. And I think I don't know what to do next. So comment down what your name be, and the next video we're going to make squishy. Bye guys.